Good morning, my dear students. Hope you all are fine. Now, children, I am here with the second part of the video of the explanation of the chapter The Meeting Pool by Ruskin Bond. In my previous video, that is the part 1 of this chapter, I told you that this is a story of three friends, Anil, Somi, and Rusty, who decided to meet at the meeting pool, which was their favorite meeting point since years and had also become a part of their memories and consciousness. Now they decided to meet at the pool at midday on 5th of April of 1964, 10 years later from the day which he is describing about. Now Rusty comes to meet his friends at the scheduled day, but his other friends Anil and Somi, they can't come because now they have occupied themselves with the business of living, and now their priorities in life have changed. They have got so engaged that they could not come. Now the author takes you to the backstage of the story, and he recalls how he found the pool one day while it was raining. Now, as soon as he found the pool, which came down from the rock face in the form of a stream, he comes back to the town to tell his friends about it. Now, the next paragraph tells you the character of their friends. Now, this paragraph tells you the character sketch of Anil, Somi, and Rusty, who are the main characters of this story. Now, the author says Anil and Somi were my closest friends. Anil और Somi मेरे पक्के दोस्त थे. And Anil lived in a crowded lane of the Dilaram Bazaar. He was wild, moody, and impulsive, but had a certain animal charm. Now, what does impulsive mean? Impulsive here means doing things without much consideration. अनिल जो है वो दिलाराम बाज़ार से दूर एक क्राउडेड गली में रहता था. एंड बाय नेचर ही वॉज वाइल्ड मूडी. वो बहुत चंचल था, बहुत जंगली नेचर था उसका, और वो बिना कुछ सोचे समझे करता था एक्शंस को. एंड ही लाइक्ड नेचर एंड एनिमल्स. उसे कुदरत और एनिमल्स के बीच में रहना पसंद था. ही हैड अ सर्टेन चार्म फॉर एनिमल्स. ऑन द अदर हैंड सोमी वॉज क्वाइट एंड जेंटल इन हिज वेज. सोमी बहुत शांत और विनम्र स्वभाव का था. बट ही टू लाइक अनिल हैड अ सेंस ऑफ फन. लेकिन वो भी उसमें भी अनिल की तरह ही लाइक्ड हैविंग फन एंड एंटरटेनमेंट. उसे फ़न करना, एडवेंचर्स और मज़े लेना बहुत पसंद था. दे यूजुअली चोज द एडवेंचर्स वी वेर टू हैव. हम क्या एडवेंचर्स करने वाले हैं इसका डिसीजन वो लोग करते थे. दे यूजुअली चोज द एडवेंचर्स वी वेर टू हैव. And I would just grumble and allow myself to be involved in them. Now, grumble here means to complain. Now, the Rusty says, I would just grumble. मैं सिर्फ grumble करता था, complain करता था. I used to dislike the adventures they were about to have, but afterwards I allowed myself to be involved in them. पहले पहले तो Rusty complain करता था that don't do this, this is not good, we should not do such thing. But afterwards, he also joins them in having those adventures. But the author says, the pool was my own discovery. Although other adventures were decided by Anil and Somi, but this pool was my own discovery. ये मेरी खोज थी and I was very proud of it. और मुझे इस बात को लेकर बहुत गर्व है. Now the next paragraph reads, we will call it Rusty's pool, said Somi. Somi says, हम इस पूल को रस्टीज पूल कहेंगे. नाउ वाई डिड दे गेव द पूल द नेम रस्टीज पूल? बिकॉज दे गेव सच अ नेम बिकॉज इट वॉज द पूल डिस्कवर्ड बाई रस्टी. एंड ही फर्दर एड्स, एंड रिमेंबर इट्स अ सीक्रेट पूल. ये एक सीक्रेट पूल है. नो वन एल्स मस्ट नो अबाउट इट. हमारे अलावा अपार्ट फ्रॉम अस नो वन एल्स शुड नो अबाउट इट. नाउ दिस लाइन shows that Somi was quite intimate with his two friends Anil and Rusty, and he does not want his other friends to know about this pool. Now, children, let's move further to the next paragraph. In this paragraph, the author describes their experience of swimming. Now he says, I think it was the pool that brought us together more than anything else. He says, ये वो pool था जिसने हमें नज़दीक लाया more than anything else. Because of this pool, they became good friends. Now since these three friends started spending most of their times playing, swimming and fishing in the pool, that they become familiar to each other. They started knowing each other and thus their friendship got deepened. Now moving further, the author adds, Somi was a beautiful swimmer. He dived off the rocks and went gliding about under the water like a long golden fish. Now children, mark these two words, dived and gliding. Dive here means to plunge head first into the water, that is gota lagana, and gliding means to make smooth and continuous movement in the water without involving much effort. Now since Somi was a beautiful swimmer, he could dive off from the rocks into the water and he could glide into the under the water like a long golden fish. However, although Anil's legs and arms were very long, हालांकि अनिल के पैर और हाथ बहुत लंबे थे, and he thrust about with much vigor. Thrust here means made uncontrollable movements. That is, वो अपने हाथ पैर बहुत ताकत के साथ, बहुत ज़ोर के साथ मारता था. He was trying to swim, but since he was not skilled at swimming, he could not swim very well. Although I could dive off a rock, I had a knowledge of diving. I could dive off a rock too, but I usually landed on my stomach. But Rusty landed on his stomach, that is, he could not land on his head. He fell off from the rock into the water on his stomach. Now the narrator has asked you a question. Why does the author think that it was the pool that brought them together? ऑथर को ऐसा क्यों लगता है कि ये पूल था जो उन्हें नज़दीक लाया था? दिस आई टोल्ड यू प्रीवियसली, because they spent a lot of time playing in the pool that they came to know each other and thus became good friends. Now children, let's move further to the next paragraph. Now in this paragraph, the author is sharing his fishing experiences. He says there were slim silver fish in the water of the stream. स्ट्रीम के पानी में स्लिम सिल्वर फिश थी. एट फर्स्ट वी ट्राइड कैचिंग देम विथ अ लाइन. नाउ लाइन हियर मीन्स अ bamboo rod which is used for fishing. So firstly they tried catching the fishes with a line, but soon the fishes acquired the art of taking the bait. Now what does bait mean here? Bait is the food that is attached to the hook to catch the fish. Now because of this regular activity, the fishes had become adept at getting their bait without being caught on the hook. So अब fishes क्या होता था? Fishes अपना bait तो ले लेती थी लेकिन वो hook में पकड़ी नहीं जाती थी. Okay children, now move further. Next we procured a bedsheet that Anil removed it from his mother's laundry, and we stretched it across one end of the stream, but the fish wouldn't come anywhere near it. Now children, firstly they tried to catch the fish using a line, but when the fishes became adept at taking the bait without being caught, they find out another way to catch the fish. That is, Anil removed the bedsheet from mother's laundry. लॉन्ड्री हियर मीन्स द सेट ऑफ क्लोथ्स दैट हिज मदर कीप्स फॉर वॉशिंग. तो वो अपनी माँ की लॉन्ड्री से ही प्रिक्योर्ड अ बेडशीट. प्रिक्योर मीन्स टू ब्रिंग आउट समथिंग विथ लॉट ऑफ एफर्ट्स. तो वो बहुत कोशिश करके अपनी माँ की लॉन्ड्री से एक बेडशीट ले आया. एंड वी स्ट्रेच्ड इट अक्रॉस वन एंड ऑफ द स्ट्रीम. और हमने स्ट्रीम के एक सिरे पर उसको फैला के रख दिया बेडशीट को. बट द फिश वुडंट कम एनीवेयर नियर इट. लेकिन फिशेस दे वर स्मार्टर देन देम एंड दे वोंट कम नियर द बेडशीट. Now since all their efforts of catching the fish were getting failed, so Anil, who was very wild, moody and impulsive, he, without telling any of his friends, He fetched a stick of gunpowder from a firework shop. Now, what does gunpowder here mean? Gunpowder is an explosive used in crackers and fireworks. He fetched a stick of gunpowder from a crackers shop, and when he lighted that gunpowder, it gave a flash across the water and a deafening explosion which startled out Somi and Rusty. उसने उस गन पाउडर को एक दिन जला दिया जिससे पानी में एक धमाका हुआ और पानी का एक स्प्लैश आया और एक धमाके की आवाज़ आई. And this loud and deafening sound wakened Somi and Rusty, which was sleeping near the pool, and they got shocked out of a afternoon nap. Nap here means a short sleep, usually taken during the day. Now children, let us see what was the effect of that explosion. Yes, the author says half the hillside tumbled into the pool. Because of that explosion, half of the hillside near the pool, it got tumbled into the pool. Now what does tumble here means? Tumble here means fell with a rolling movement, which is ludhakna. Now with the sliding or rolling down of the hillside, Anil too fell down into the pool, but anyhow we got him out, and along with Anil we also brought out a good supply of fish, although those fishes were too small and they were not suitable for eating. However, since Anil has worked really hard to catch those fishes, so he did not want all his efforts going waste and he could not be eating all those fishes. So what did he do? He roasted his fish over a fire. Now roast here means to cook food by prolonged exposure to heat in a fire. So he roasted all his fishes and he ate all of them by himself, including their tails too. He ate along with the whole body of the fishes, he ate their tails too. Now children, you have to tell according to the nature of Somi and Rusty that whether they ate their fishes or they put them back into the water, or if they ate those fishes, what was the way of cooking it. So that's all for today children. We will be taking up only till this part of the story in this video. The remaining part of the story will be taken in the next video. Now children, note down 3 questions for the homework. Your first question is, describe the characters of the 3 main characters of the story, Anil, Somi and Rusty. I repeat, describe the characters of the 3 main characters of the story, Anil, Somi and Rusty. And your next question is, tell about each of them, their swimming experiences and skills. That is, how good and adept were they at swimming. And your third and last question is, describe about their fishing experiences or describe all the efforts they made to catch the fishes. Now children, that's all. Thank you and goodbye.